1. Understanding the concept of financial projections. Financial projections are estimates of a company's future financial performance. They are used to evaluate potential investments, fund allocation, and to plan for future growth. Without them, it's like driving a car blindfolded. 2. The core components of financial projections in business. The main components of financial projections are your income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. These documents provide a comprehensive view of your company's financial health and future prospects. 3. The importance of financial projections in strategic planning. Financial projections play a pivotal role in strategic planning. They help business owners set realistic goals, allocate resources effectively, and prepare for potential risks or opportunities. 4. Steps to developing accurate financial projections. Creating accurate financial projections involves several steps. First, you need to understand your business model thoroughly. Next, collect historical data and identify trends. Then, make assumptions based on this information to project future outcomes. 5. How to use financial projections to attract investors. Investors are keen to see your financial projections. These figures demonstrate your business's potential profitability, which is a key consideration for anyone thinking about investing in your company. 6. Risks and limitations, the downside of financial projections. Despite their importance, financial projections are not without their flaws. They're based on assumptions, which can turn out to be incorrect. Therefore, it's important to use them as a guide, not a definite prediction. 7. Real-world case studies, successful use of financial projections in business. Tesla, the renowned electric vehicle and clean energy company, is a perfect example. In 2014, Tesla's financial projections showed a promising future with massive growth prospects. These projections caught the attention of investors worldwide, leading to an upsurge in their stock prices. Amazon's journey offers another incredible example. In its early years, Amazon presented financial projections to investors highlighting their long-term profitability plan despite short-term losses. The projections, backed by a well-planned strategy, convinced investors to stick with the company during the initial challenging years. 8. Tips and techniques for improving the accuracy of financial projections. There are several ways to improve the accuracy of your financial projections. Use realistic assumptions, constantly update your projections, and include a range of scenarios. 10. Future trends, the evolution of financial projections in a digital world. The digital age has brought many changes to the world of financial projections. Advanced analytics, machine learning, and AI. Just some of the trends shaping the future of financial projections. Cloud-based systems, the adoption of cloud-based systems is another trend impacting financial projections. These systems provide secure, accessible and real-time data. Data visualization, as the amount of financial data increases, the use of visual tools to understand and interpret this data is becoming more essential. Data visualization tools can present complex data straightforwardly and understandably, aiding in the decision-making process. Just some of the trends shaping the future of financial projections. That's all for today, folks. Remember, a clear understanding of financial projections can be the difference between success and failure in business. So, stay informed and stay ahead. If you found this video beneficial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more business insights. Until next time, this is Thamiz Harasu, signing off.